I'm Brian Ostrovsky. I'm the founder and CEO of Locable, and I've had the honor of working with well over 100 communities on improving their marketing of their community, supporting small businesses, building engagement with locals and with visitors. And one of the most common things that we hear is that businesses expect you to do marketing for them. Have you ever had this where they come to you and say, "What are you doing to market my business?" And you respond or you think about responding, what are you doing to market your business? Well, I want to encourage you. I've given a number of talks at the national conference for Main Street and all over, and I always want to stress that simplifying local marketing doesn't mean that you do marketing for businesses, but rather your responsibility is more limited to amplifying the marketing that small businesses do, not marketing for them. At the National Main Street Conference in Richmond, the attendees of my session took a lot of pictures of this particular slide. I want you to be comfortable telling your businesses it's not your job to do their marketing. And if they don't believe you, you're not comfortable, have them come talk to me. I'll tell them that. Now, again, you need to amplify them, which means they need to do marketing. And that's where marketing 3, 4, 5 comes in. We want to simplify marketing so they can be effective in 15 minutes or less, do what they need to do, move on with their day, and you can amplify them. So, as you're struggling with where to spend your time, where to spend your resources, I want to encourage you that there are ways to support them without doing the work for them. And if you're not familiar with Locable, we'd love to have you check out how our software works and how our training programs work, and perhaps even our new full day of marketing that we have available for you. So thanks for your time today. I want to encourage you to keep up the good work, supporting your community and helping everyone there take back local.